Yo, starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a McDonald's going 3 miles.
Hello, thank you for choosing McDonald's. Are you going to be using the mobile app today?
You're the doordash?
Yeah. Thank you. You too. Forgot to mention, we are not having the best start. It took about 20 minutes to get that first order. Total for that one was $5 and change. Next order up is Red Leaf Coffee. This one is going 7.5 miles. I've got a feeling this is a no tip too. I'm gonna regret this so much, I can already tell. I mean, there was a tip on that. I don't think it was worth my time, but there was a tip. Total for that one was $10. Next up, got a Black Rock Coffee going 2.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Total for that order was $7. I love that it wanted me to turn around on pretty much a one-way. Well, now I've got to take the long way around because they didn't give me this order like 5 minutes ago. Going back to that same Black Rock Coffee, this one's going like 3.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Total for that one was $7. Okay, not terrible. Okay, I didn't get any orders, so I managed to escape that area. Heading back into my zone, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $8 going 4 miles.
Morning. Sorry for your wait.
Definitely should have unassigned that one. That was like a 15-minute wait. Just sitting here waiting for something to come in. It's been maybe 20 minutes now since that last order was dropped off. Okay, got something. This is a stack going to the same person. This is Starbucks and 7-Eleven. $7 going about 2 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, over there.
You too. It's been pretty slow for the past hour-ish. So I think right now, as it stands, down about $5, but it's only getting worse because I'm not getting orders. Well, this isn't exactly what I wanted, but we've got a Gravity Coffee going 7 miles.
All right, cool. Gotcha.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem, man. You have a good day, all right?
You too.
Thank you.
Hello. Hello.
Hi. I needed a PIN number. Total for that one was $7. I mean, $1 per mile, sure. I guess it wasn't the worst. Got this pretty much right away. It is a Wendy's going just under 5 miles.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to Wendy's. How can I help you?
Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you.
Ooh, that was a no tip. Oh, that was bad. Total for that one was $3 and change. $3 and change. Okay, yeah, we are not making any money today, so I'm just gonna call it here and go home. Current time is 9:19. Current total is 55. What is this? IHOP going 9 miles across the river. Yeah, you got me. Let's go home. I think I'm still waiting on one tip, but it's not gonna be much, so add maybe $5 to that. Anyways, have some kitty clips. Okay, can we not do that to my pants, please? He's smacking me, bro. Okay, time to go home. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.